Hello and welcome to another little guide video for AccuRC. This time I'm going to run you through some of the basic principles of our transmitter functions. So if I hit on transmitter and then hit on the functions, it then brings us to here. So to start with, we've got three tabs, one for helicopter, one for plane, one for drone. So you can set up all your different functions for your different types of models quite happily. Now, one of the things that some people get a bit confused about is they don't understand how this panel works at all. It's based upon the same principles as Betaflight and CleanFlight. So, and those various other ones that are pretty similar, which you use on multi-rotors. Now, what it is, it's really, really powerful, but once you grasp the principle, it's very easy and simple to use. So, let's just look at this one here. So we've got RPM 2 and RPM 3. So I've got a two-position switch set up on my transmitter, and when I flick the switch, this bar moves. Now you do need to do a little bit of configuration in the transmitter in order to get that channel to move. You can use things like throttle curves, or you can use the gyro menu or the governor menu, and you just have to set it up so that it sees it. So when these aren't configured at all, I can flick the switch and it'll automatically pick up channel 1. Okay, so because I'm using the throttle curve, so I've got on the transmitter, I have got the throttle curve for normal mode set to 25%, and the throttle curve for idle up set to 100%. So there's 25 down here, and there's 100% up here. So when I move the switch, the little knob that shows the that indicates where the channel is moves, and then when the thing is active, when this bobble here is between the two bobs up there with the light green line, that means then it's active. Okay, so that's RPM 3 is active, and there's RPM 2 active, and then I've already configured this for throttle hold to be 0% on the throttle curve, which is it always is. So when I flip the throttle hold switch, it goes green, and that means it's on. Now, if that's not how you want it, so for instance, if you wanted it to be the other way around, so at the moment I've got RPM 2 on idle up and RPM 3 on normal mode. That's not really the way round I want it. So if I grab this little bob hill here and move it down, you can see the panel's changed. And if I move this bobble up here, flick the switch, move this one up here, and now that's normal mode and that's idle up. So I've got RPM 2 in normal mode and RPM 3 in idle up. Okay, and that is how our functions work. As I say, we've got different functions we've got gear on the fixed wing, gear, flaps, dual rates, and same thing on the drones, acro, horizon, and arm. Okay, thank you very much. Any problems, give us a shout on support@accuracy.com. We're also on the HeliFreak forum and Facebook and Google+, Twitter, all that sort of stuff. Any help, or you know where to get us. Thank you very much. Goodbye.